Just folding up my towels for the day. Like I said, I have 2 houses, so these should be enough. I always wash my rags. And we used to have so many rags. Usually 5 or 6 should do. Oh, I need to hurry. I have to be at my first house at 9:30. It's 9:03. But luckily, my first house is not that far from me. So I should make it there exactly 9:30 or about 9:25. See you guys when I get there. Water. Usually I have a bigger water than that, but you never want to have to use the restroom at someone else's house, especially your client's house. That would be awful. Just love this vacuum. I saw that. Ew. I'm still gonna drink it. I need my coffee. It's such a beautiful day out. A beautiful day to go make monies. So I have 2 houses today, and they're literally down the street from each other. And I should make about $300 today. And that's including tips. And that's gonna be less than 4 or 5 hours. So the first house will take me a half an hour, and the second house will take me 2 hours exactly. So for the first house, I should make $110. That's including tips. And the second house, I should make $185, not including tips. I never know what she's gonna tip me for the second house, but yeah. So altogether, in under 5 hours today, I should make approximately about $300 something. So it's gonna be a good Monday. Happy Monday. And so I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Bye. So I made it to my first home, and usually I start in the kitchen, but my clients are home today and they were using the kitchen, so I decided to just go to the master. Obviously, you always want to be sure and clean major areas first, such as the kitchen, the master. I always start in the kitchen first because that's literally the heart of the home, and that's literally where everyone always is. Trust me. So I usually always start in the kitchen, but obviously my circumstances today, I'm in the master, but it still worked out because the kitchen actually wasn't that bad today versus the master. The master was a lot of work. So it actually, worked out for the best. So keep in mind, even if you're trying to clean your own house and you can't afford a housekeeper, be sure and be mindful to save time. Always start in the largest areas first, or the major areas such as the kitchen and master, or any areas that need the most tidying up. This will save you so much time. Trust me. So I have a policy, and before I come, I have my clients remove any items that are personal, and just, items in general, such, as what you see here, clutter, and just items in the bedrooms, counters in the bathroom, kitchen. I have to remove it. That way I can focus on the initial clean when I get there. Obviously, people sign their, contracts and still avoid my policy and ask. So, yeah. But anyway, don't mind me. I'm just moving things around and wiping under it and around it, and I put it back. This way I can be sure to put things back where they belong, because people still get upset if I don't put things back where they had it. But that's why I have the policy, so that way they have everything they need out of the way for me, instead of them relying on me to put things back where they had it. You understand what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I still do what I need to do to ensure a thorough clean, and I get the job done. As you see here, I'm going in circles, wiping the mirror. And I know a lot of you all, if you watch Clean Talk or just cleaning videos, you see people using different methods and they go up and down or side to side. But no, the actual professional correct way to clean a mirror is in circles. I promise. Try it next time you're cleaning a mirror. So between you and me, I absolutely despise shower glass doors. They are the worst ever. I enjoy cleaning toilets versus the shower. If you know, you know. They're just very tedious. Soap scum, it's very stubborn and it's just awful. But catch me in another video and I'll give you guys tips and tricks and little housekeeper secrets in keeping your glass shower doors squeaky, sparkling clean. I promise. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks, loves. I love this product because it's safe on stainless steel, it's safe on wood, and honestly pretty much anything. It's a multi-purpose and it's very, very useful. I use it to polish, as you see, the fixtures in the shower. And if you don't have the means to buy this, or if you can't find it in your area, no worries. I have a little secret that I'm dying to share with you right now. Feel free to use baby oil or olive oil. And actually, the baby oil and olive oil, you can actually use on wood as well. So, and whenever you're sharing that tip, please let them know Mary the housekeeper told you that. I absolutely love my vacuum. I'd recommend it to anyone. I know a lot of you are probably team Dyson, but absolutely not. Absolutely not. Go run to literally any store, Amazon, and get you a Shark Professional. This is the Shark Professional 2022. I believe it's the lift away. It's anti-allergen. It's just amazing. You know, it's just amazing. And it has the LED lighting. You see that? I can literally vacuum and see so much debris without having the lights on. Now, obviously, I have the lights on because I don't want to alarm my clients. Like, why is she cleaning with the light off? But you can definitely vacuum without the light on. Like, it's such a powerful vacuum. And it's also so heavy on pet hair. She has 2 labs, and the pet hair was awful. Like, it was just awful. But that just goes with the job, and obviously I love it. I mean, I wouldn't trade it for anything else. Hey guys, so I ran over in time a little bit. I was not expecting the second home. I wasn't expecting the owners to be home. And they were home, and they had 2 large laps with them. I think it's just like a vacation home, so they're not there all the time. So that's why I wasn't expecting them to be home. But they were home with 2 large laps, so I literally went over in time. But that's okay. I'll still get paid that overtime. And I was running so late to get the kids, but I still got my kids. Still made over $300 in less than 5 hours. So a win is a win. Yeah, and I couldn't record all that for you guys because I didn't want, my clients obviously to be uncomfortable. But stay tuned, and I'll have more cleaning and motivational content for you all. Please give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more, or if you just like what you saw. I will have another video coming up explaining my prices and my rates and how I even got started in housekeeping. Literally starting your own cleaning company is about the most simplest thing you can ever do. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work though. Like, it's an easy startup, and a lot of people don't know that. It's a lot of work. You get burnt out. So if it's not for you, then you may need to hire someone else. And it's also that it's a lot of work, and it's hard to hire people to even help you. So, but we'll get into to detail more about that. But don't forget to give me a comment, like, subscribe, comment below what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.